Bulldog 3D. I'm Darren. Today we're going to look at some tools that I use in the workshop that have been 3D printed. Let's get started. First item that we're going to look at, this hangs up this way and it holds my drills and drivers. So there's holes in the top. You can screw these into a shelf underneath, or like what I have is cable ties to a wire rack. Next up we have these. Print file also comes with this. Although this somewhat works, just find that the thread gets a little tough. You have to get the thread all the way through. I think the thread isn't as good as it could be. These are used to put two pieces of wood together to make them square, so you can drill through them and have a nice square joint. I have a nice square joint there. I can drill through the bottom here, put my screw in, keep a nice square joint. You just use a small clamp to hold them together. This can be 2x4s, 2x6s, 3/4 inch ply, 1/2 inch ply. I find these very useful just as a quick aid in squaring up my wood joint. Next with these, help me find the center line for a piece of wood. So you can either have it with this printed, it comes off, go back in, draw a line right down the center. This gadget is used to find the center of a circle or a circular piece of wood, and so you pop this on there, draw your line down the middle, move it around anywhere on the wood, and then draw your line. We've got a 3D printed SpeedSquare. Again, I can run my line down there. It has a number on here. We've got my angles, set an angle of 15 degrees. There's my line. Hopefully you can see there's numbering on there. Works exactly the same as any SpeedSquare that you get from one of the big box stores, but print it out. If I break it or lose it, I can just print another one. Now we have a tool that can measure your M screws. So we have length, screw. Again, there are printed numbers. These are in millimeters all the way down. So this shows the length. And then we come all the way down until we can't get there. So that would be an M5 screw. We have M4. And another M4. This one, pretty bulky, pretty thick. Numbers are clearly visible and easily readable. With the multicolor printer, you can print these numbers as a different color. But this one, it does feel a little large. There's also a credit card sized version up onto there. You have to see the number of how long the screw is and what size screw it is. It can fit in your pocket or hang it up. Hang this one up on a hook so you don't lose them. The last thing that I use, circle diameter measurement, kind of circle this will be if I wanted to create a tool to surround this. If you're going to try and make a phone case, you can find the right circle diameter and what fits best, and so you could make a phone case accordingly with the right rounded edges. These are the most useful tools that I have that I've 3D printed so far. I'll leave links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, leave some comments. I'll see you all next time. Happy printing!